In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove courses from your dashboard and courses list. So you'll see here my Fall 22 course is still on my dashboard, and my Spring 23 course is listed down here below. The same thing is reflected on my courses menu. And it's from there that I'm going to scroll down to all courses, because both those menus are really just a reflection of my preferences. And I want to change those preferences. So here I will see that the things that are colored orange are selected for those preferred items to be on my menu. And since I want to remove the Fall 22 course, I'm just going to uncolor that star. That will leave the rest of these items on both the dashboard and the courses list. And that's all there is to it. So when you see my dashboard again, you'll note that my fall course is gone. I use these other courses, so I'm not going to move this one up, but you'll see that that's how that works.